Dr. Mukul Sangma, who is also the leader of opposition in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, strongly criticized the functioning of the present NPP-led Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government of being insensitive to the various issues pertaining to the state. He said the opposition Congress has apprised the government from time to time on the need to clear the salaries of the teacher and the employees of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, and these suggestions have fallen into the deaf ears of the government.
Now, I forgot to say that we also discuss about non-payment of salary to the employees of the district council. Okay? Now, we also discuss about the areas of the government employees which were not paid, which were promised to be paid and never paid. So, you can easily interpret as to where the state is leading. I have said earlier also that that is only the tip of the iceberg. And I am saying this is because government doesn't want to correct things. There are huge leakage of revenue taking place. And if you want to know more, forget about what the leader of the opposition and the opposition is saying. You look at the various representations which has been submitted to the government, to the authorities, to the DCs, to the chief secretaries, to the chief minister. One organization after another, but they decide to say that nothing wrong is happening, there is no irregularity.